Hi, this is Vignesh, founder and CEO of Healthy Bowl Agro Foods Private Limited, and this is my wife, Dr. Aishwarya. She's a dental surgeon by profession. We are into integrated organic farming. One of the main aspects of integrated organic farming is microgreens, and that's what we are going to talk about. Microgreens are nothing but your regular greens, or it grows from the same seeds as your regular greens. The only difference is you harvest it in 7 to 14 days. Like you have sprouts, for instance, which is basically consumed at 2 to 3 days, and microgreens is one stage of the plant which is harvested after 7 to 14 days. Now, why microgreens? If you take microgreens the same amount, like let's say 100 grams of microgreen radish and 100 grams of real radish. Now, full-grown radish has lesser nutrients than the same 100 grams of microgreens. Microgreen is used more as a garnish, seasoning, or texture on top of your food. So now you should not overcook or cook your microgreens. Rather, it is preferable to steam it or just heat it a bit. It is not advisable to overcook or overheat your microgreens. The kind of microgreen you select,
it should enhance the actual flavor which is already in the food, so that you can get a strong flavor when you eat.
The proportion of vitamins and minerals will be higher in microgreens than regular vegetables.
Always in microgreens, less is more, because it has just 2 leaves and stem. All the concentration of that food will be on that 2 leaves and the stem of the microgreen. So you should use less because the flavor will be very strong. We are actually very glad to be here in MGR University. MGR University is more concerned that their students should come out as best as possible, that they should know every other nook and corner of culinary skills.
MGR University is actually encouraging such practical sessions so that students are actually getting exposed more to such industry standards. Hospitality was great. The students were great, they were responsive, they were interactive, and apart from the facilities which were provided, we didn't have any hiccups. So starting from the food to hospitality to transportation to enabling us to show a demo, really appreciate MGR University for taking such an initiative, and I look forward to see the university encourage innovation among students. Thank you.